In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sites Tips and Tricks 2026. Stand out with these tips. We're focusing on one of the fastest ways to make your site look polished and professional, adding a custom logo and a favicon. Your logo anchors your brand at the top of your pages, and your favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the Browser tab. Together, they make your site feel credible and easy to recognize. Start by going to your website in Google Sites. Make sure you're in the editor view so you can make changes. Give the page a second to load the toolbar and settings. That's where the branding options live. Next, look for the option labeled Add Logo and Favicon. Depending on your layout, you'll see it near your site header or within your site settings. Click it to open the branding panel. This is where you'll upload the images that represent your site across the header and browser tabs. Click Upload for your logo. This opens your file picker so you can choose an image from your computer. A PNG with a transparent background usually looks best in site headers, especially if your theme uses color or imagery behind the header. Aim for a crisp, high-resolution file so it doesn't appear blurry on larger screens. If your logo is very wide or very tall, consider a version with tighter spacing so it sits neatly without pushing your header out of proportion. After you select the file, Google Sites will place it in the header. If your theme supports it, the site may even suggest matching colors based on your logo, which can help your pages feel cohesive. Now do the same for the favicon. Click Upload under the favicon section and choose the icon from your computer. Favicons are small, so simple shapes and strong contrast work best. Use a square image, ideally 256 by 256 or 512 by 512 pixels, and keep details minimal so it stays legible at tiny sizes. A solid background or a clear outline around your symbol can help it stand out in the tab bar. Once both images are uploaded, take a quick look at your header to confirm the logo fits your layout, and glance at a preview to see how your favicon appears. If it looks off, try a cleaner or higher contrast version. Browsers sometimes cache favicons, so if you don't see it right away in your tab, refresh or open the site in a new tab to confirm. That's it. By uploading a clean logo and a sharp favicon, you give your Google site an instant brand lift that visitors will recognize and trust.